Escape the paid ads trap. Are you constantly pouring money into ads with little to no return? It's time to break free from this cycle. Discover the costless traffic method, a revolutionary approach to driving traffic without spending a dime. Do you want more website visitors? Imagine seeing a steady stream of visitors to your site every day. Are you tired of spending money on ads? There's a better way. No more worrying about your ad budget or diminishing returns. It's called the costless traffic method. This method leverages organic strategies to bring visitors to your site. This method helps you get free traffic. Yes, you heard that right. Free traffic that keeps coming. It helps you get more customers. More visitors mean more potential customers and more sales. And the best part? It's sustainable. This isn't a one-time trick, it's a long-term solution. The costless traffic method focuses on organic traffic. This means people find your website naturally without paid promotions. This means people find your website naturally. They come across your site through genuine interest. They find it through search engines. Your site appears in search results because of its relevance and quality. They find it through links on other websites. Backlinks from reputable sites drive traffic to yours. They find it through social media. Organic traffic is valuable, it's targeted, it's consistent, and it's free. Social shares and engagement bring more eyes to your content. Say goodbye to expensive ads. No more draining your budget on paid campaigns. Say hello to the costless traffic method. Embrace a new way of thinking about traffic generation. This guide will teach you everything you need to know. From the basics to advanced strategies, it's all covered. You'll learn how to get free organic traffic. Step-by-step instructions will guide you through the process. You'll learn how to grow your business. Let's get started. Your journey to costless traffic begins now. The downfall of paid ads. Why they drain your budget and leave you high and dry. Paid ads seem like a quick fix. They promise instant results and a surge in traffic. You pay money, you get traffic. It sounds simple and effective, but there's a catch. Paid ads are expensive. The costs can quickly add up. They can drain your budget fast, leaving you with little to show for it. And the results are temporary. The moment you stop paying, the traffic starts to dwindle. Once you stop paying, the traffic stops. It's like turning off a faucet. This leaves you back at square one, scrambling to find new ways to attract visitors. You're stuck in a cycle of paying for traffic. It's not sustainable. The costs keep coming, but the benefits are fleeting, and it's not good for long-term growth. You need a strategy that builds over time. Plus, people are becoming blind to ads. They ignore them. They use ad blockers. The effectiveness of paid ads is diminishing. This makes paid ads even less effective. You're paying more for less impact. The costless traffic method offers a better way. It focuses on organic growth and sustainable traffic. It focuses on building a sustainable traffic source. This means investing in strategies that grow your traffic over time. This means you get free traffic over time. No more paying for every click or impression. You don't have to keep paying for it. Your budget stays intact and your traffic continues to grow. Unleash the power of the costless traffic method. This method is designed to help you attract visitors without spending a dime. Your guide to free and steady website visitors. Learn how to build a consistent flow of traffic to your site. The costless traffic method uses proven strategies that have been tested and refined over time. These strategies attract free, organic traffic, which is essential for sustainable growth. Let's explore some of them in detail. Answer sites. Share your expertise on sites like Quora. These platforms are great for establishing authority. Answer questions related to your niche. Provide valuable information that can help others. Link back to your website. This not only drives traffic but also improves your site's SEO. Article submission. Write informative articles that offer real value to readers. Submit them to article submission platforms. These platforms can significantly increase your reach. This will get your content in front of a wider audience, increasing your visibility. Blog commenting. Find relevant blogs in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments that add value to the discussion. Engage with the community. Include a link back to your website. This can drive targeted traffic and build relationships. Classified ads. Utilize online classified ad platforms to promote your products or services. These platforms offer a targeted audience for your products or services, making them highly effective. Document sharing. Create valuable content like ebooks or guides that provide in-depth information. Share them on document sharing platforms. These platforms can help you reach a wider audience. This can help you reach a wider audience and establish your authority in your niche. Section 4. Social media, your key to unlocking organic traffic. Social media is crucial for driving organic traffic. It helps you connect with your audience, build relationships, and promote your website. Create engaging content, use relevant hashtags, run contests and giveaways, and interact with your followers. The more active you are, the more visible you become. Social media is a powerful tool. Use it to drive traffic to your website. Section 5. Take charge of your traffic. Implement the costless traffic method today. The costless traffic method is a powerful way to grow your website. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. You'll get free, organic traffic and build a sustainable source of leads and customers. Don't rely on expensive paid ads. Take control of your traffic. Implement the costless traffic method today.